Hel- Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network channels. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the Paytm has been launched a new feature that's called a food delivery. So all these are has been released today itself only. So previously it was available for the Zomato, Uber and Foodpanda, but now the uh, Paytm also has been recently released today released food delivery. Just update your Paytm app, go into the Play Store, and that one you just search the Paytm. After update your Paytm app, you will be get this food delivery app. So once you open the app here, you can see on the screen which is next to the Republic Day sale, and before the starting at rupee 1 food delivery is there, and you can see on the screen here he is also launching the Paytm food delivery. Once I click on that one, and you will be getting a cashback of 100 rupees upon first user and first time using. So this way is asking for the location also. If I click on OK, we'll be going to the location here, and in that there it will be show you all the restaurants name here, everything. Okay, so you can see this is everything is showing you. If I select anything here from the menu, and I will get a new, like you can see this is about how it's going to be. Check, see the ad, same like Zomato, it's showing this one. You can search, you can see the menu is there, you can add it. If I click any and I'm going to card it directly, I'm going to the cart. So you can see address, mobile number showing, and here is that promo code is there, type hungry and get 50% cashback, maximum 100 is there. If I click and apply, there is nothing, just going to type hungry and there. So next one is address, the GST is adding 12 rupees, nothing delivery charges, anything is there's no charging, but it's charging us 12 rupees for GST. So this is about the personal details using. So in this way you can use the food delivery app or the Paytm. So first order, let's go back again. So here it is there, it's like that, and it's only available in app only, it does not work on website. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cloud Network channel.